you will have to go through this small module on how to use Adobe Professional in a better way in order to make the commenting more useful and precise for us. So first, you will have to make sure that the version of Adobe Professional that you are using is version 7.0. If you have a lower version, this video may not cater to all the requirements that you will be needing for doing an effective review. So please check that with the IT department here at iDiscovery and find out if you need some support for this. Once you open the PDF, one of the major things is to make sure that when you comment on the file, the note says your name. For example, if your name is Ram, but this says Rajat, you need to change that. So you will have to go to Comments and choose Commenting Preferences. And as you choose Commenting Preferences, you click on this commenting bar, which would already be selected ideally, and you deselect that Always Use Login Name for Author's Name option. Then you click OK and then click on the note. You have to change its properties and you want author name to be Ram. So close this and then keep current properties default. So wherever you now put a note on your PDF document, this document will have the author name of Ram. I hope that makes sense here. A document will also be given to you which will explain this exact process, so no need to memorize it bit by bit. There are essentially 3 to 4 kinds of changes that you would want to make in a document. We will go into that now. There are a couple of ways to do that in a PDF, and a lot of people generally use the commenting options which are available here. As you can see, the commenting tool is full of options. With the help of all these options, you can add a note here, you can edit text here, and you can even add your voice. Yeah, you can add audio comments too in a PDF file. So PDF is actually pretty cool, but if you are kind of not used to it properly, it becomes a little messy. Another tool we use very often is the drawing markups tool. You can see that side by side and see how you can use a tool in a different way to actually locate your comments. So if you wanted to change the text of an introduction here, usually people use a line tool and just strike that out, and then they use a note tool to add some text. Say plants can get they type something like that. So once you make these edits, you can see the comment box. There are a couple of items that are appearing. One is a note here and the other is the strike off line out there. So this was entirely unnecessary actually for 2 reasons. One, it does not connect the 2 comments. So if accidentally one of them gets deleted, then the other would not make any sense. 2, the other thing is that it creates 2 comments. The smarter way to do that would be to simply use the text edit tool to delete this. Just like you delete in the Word document, you hit backspace here, and on top of that you enter text. For deleting, you can simply select the text and hit backspace. If you want to add something, you can just keep your cursor wherever you want and you can start adding. Another thing that will be very commonly required is marking a specific area and saying that this doesn't look appropriate. So generally people use the pencil tool for that. or they put a note there. This image looks inappropriate. Now this kind of comment doesn't really help for two reasons. A, it does not specify the problem, and B, it creates two separate comments which are not interconnected, not very clear, not relevant, and not very neat either. So let's do this. Let's delete these two comments and find a neater way of doing this. And this is what you're supposed to do. You can simply choose one of the drawing tools. You mark it with oval tool. Double click on this tool and you will get a comment box associated with it. So this way you are not adding another box for adding comments. You can add a voice comment in your PDF to express your point regarding a specific problem more clearly. You do that by clicking on this paper clip here, and then you choose record audio comment. Start recording your comment and then press OK when you're done, and then this dialog box will come. Just close it. Then here you can see your audio comment on the PDF. Now please only use this tool if it is really necessary.